Hello.
Hello.
Okay, hi there. I think I need to record the voice and the video like separately, like on my laptop.
Okay.
So it's okay.
Oh,
Let's
okay.
let's just talk. So here's the thing. I'm going to read a sentence and I'll see if you can recognize the word I'm saying. Okay. And then I'll ask you to pronounce this word for me in your accent. Okay, so here's the sentence. I am going to Ikea this afternoon. Are you going with me? So where am I going this afternoon?
You're going to Ikea this afternoon.
Okay, so yes, this word is like this place. Okay?
Ikea.
Ikea. Have you been to this place before?
I have not. But I heard that it's pretty fantastic.
Yeah. Because people here in Taiwan are discussing the word, like, should we pronounce it IKEA or IKEA? Because IKEA is the way how they pronounce the word, like the original accent, IKEA.
Yeah.
So if you hear somebody say, "I'm going to IKEA," is it weird, or do you think like this person is pronouncing it wrong?
In America, if I heard somebody say Ikea, like the short I sound, that would be weird. It would be the long I, the IKEA in America.
So you always say IKEA.
Yeah.
But how do you recognize the word? Like I say IKEA, I'm saying that the word is IKEA.
Because it's still so, you know how the vowels have two sounds?
Uh,
In English, vowels have two sounds. They have a long sound, which would be A, E, I, O, U.
right.
And then they have a short sound, which would be A, E, O, U.
Yeah.
And so it's still the same letter sound. I knew what you were saying because it was the same letter sound. It was just the short pronunciation instead of the long
So,
pronunciation.
okay, so if I put it this way, so if I tell you that IKEA is the original pronunciation, right? So if I tell you that, can I just I'm speaking English, but when it comes to this word, I would like to put it in its original sound. Does that make sense to you?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
Then I get
And
it.
the main reason why is because of the E after the K. So whenever there's a vowel separated by a consonant, it's going to have the long vowel sound.
Like I.
Right.
Okay.
I
Yeah.
think anybody in America that has half a brain, but anybody in America that has half a brain would know what you were talking about.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Unless you're talking to somebody that's really, really just not intelligent, and there's a lot of that in
But
America.
if I say IKEA in your mind, do you think I'm pronouncing it like wrong, or how do you?
Yeah.
Okay, you think I'm wrong if I say IKEA, not telling you.
I think it's different, but it's different than we usually pronounce it here in the States.
Okay, and if the story is there is another brand like I don't know, like maybe Gucci or Louis Vuitton, this kind of foreign brand in your country, right?
Uh-huh.
Do you pronounce it in English accent or do you prefer pronouncing like its original pronunciation when it comes to
That's
this?
the thing about America is we Americanize everything.
Okay.
Gucci, Louis Vuitton. I mean, there's no accent on it at all. We say the hard like Gucci, and Louis. that.
Okay, that makes sense. But you know what I'm saying, right? Like, if somebody wants to put it like its original accent or its original pronunciation, it's also fine, right?
They would get made fun of. Other Americans would laugh at that.
Oh, really?
Oh yeah, big time.
But you know, when it comes to Chinese, when we say Ikea or IKEA, both are not Chinese. So if people here in Taiwan are having a conversation and we're talking about IKEA or IKEA, either way is fine because we are not talking in English at all. Like we're talking in Chinese, so we can say either IKEA or IKEA.
Yeah.
That's the reason why.
I agree with that. I think you should stick to the original saying because Americans have too much power and they don't deserve it.
Wait a second. You are American, right? You're an American.
By birth, yes.
Okay. Like.
I feel like I'm American because I was born in America. I don't agree with the way that the American government runs their country, and they don't do anything to help us.
Oh, can I put this on social media? I mean.
Yeah, if you want to. I don't care.
Okay.
I'm a detractor, baby. They call us detractors. And I don't subscribe to the way that our government treats each other, the way that they treat gay people, the way that they treat humans in general. It's just not, it's not humane. I wouldn't treat my dog the way that our American government has treated us during this COVID crisis. You know? Yeah, they didn't give us any help at all.
Wow.
I mean, very, very little in the way of help. I mean, we lost our jobs. We lost everything. Our grocery stores had no food. We didn't even have toilet paper. You know, and the government wouldn't give us any money. We got 3 stimulus checks over the course of 18 months. How long has it been? They gave us 3 little baby checks, and in fact, they're taking more of our benefits.
Yeah.
So I'm American by birth because I was born on this land, but I don't subscribe to their values.
I totally understand.
Yeah, and that's how it is in Taiwan too, isn't it?